Annoying Television family, what's up? It's your boy Tate. I'm here with an unboxing. I never do these. I didn't expect me to do this type of video. Hey, I'm in a loss for words. Y'all. I'm so excited that I'm stumbling over my words. Well, I do it usually, like normally I do it, but man, I'm so excited. I waited for this. I pre-ordered this on July 5th, I think. Yeah, I think it was July 5th. I pre-ordered this July 5th, and I've been waiting. I don't even know what today is. I think it's the 22nd. I don't know. But it just arrived. I missed it on Sunday. It's supposed to get here Sunday. I missed it on Monday. That was yesterday. Like, as soon as I left out, it said it was attempted to deliver it, but I missed it. But today, we got the package right here. Man. Oh. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Man. Get right into this. Oh my God. I'm excited for this. I've been geeking for this, for real. Really been geeking for this. Oh, I'm tripping. Always cut away from yourself and put the knife far away from you when you unboxing stuff. But I don't want to show it yet. No invoice. Whole lot of games. Hey, bro. I don't even want to open this yet. Oh, if you don't know what this is a vinyl. This is 12-inch 180 gram vinyl of Xxxtentacion ? Album. Well, yeah, like I said before, I pre-ordered this. I've been waiting a long time. RPX, you know. It's just a regular LP, not a double LP. Track list right there. I'm about to look at it. Gotta make sure it ain't like cracked or anything. It's just on plain black vinyl? Oh my God, wow. Alright, well, you got the track list. Yeah, you got the track list, and it shows the producers and the writers and everybody else on the track list. And the inside you got side A, that's how it look. Side B, just regular black vinyl, 180 gram. Man, I'm glad I got this. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Next vlog's coming up real soon. Stay happy, drop a like, turn on that bell notification to get updated when I post new content. You know, stay lit, Annoying Television family.
Remember what the Bible says.
Show your titties, bitch!